Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. In the previous video, we learned about various types of input devices. Today we will see the types of output devices. So let's start. So first of all, what is output devices? As we know, the data stored in computer are processed by CPU, and that processed data are known as information that are still in the form of 0 and 1. So, the device is needed to receive that data and convert it into human readable form. This is done by various output devices. Okay? A computer can still function without an output devices. However, without an output device, there is no way to determine what the computer is doing or how user can see the processed data. Clear? Typical examples of output devices are monitors and projectors, okay, under the category of video, headphones and speakers under the category of audio, while printers and plotters are in the category of page. So, the key distinction between an input device and output device is that an input device sends data to the computer, whereas an output device receives data from the computer. For example, using a microphone to record a podcast is an example of using an input device. Listening to the recorded podcast through a connected speaker is an example of using an output device. And both output and input devices are the example of auxiliary or peripheral devices. Thus, input-output devices are also known as peripheral devices. I think it is very clear to you. What is output devices? So let's start with their types. The most common used output device is monitor. It creates a visual display by the use of which user can view processed data. And how it is to be done? With the help of video card. And that video card is positioned on computer motherboard. Other than monitor, it is known as video display terminal, that is VDT, or video display unit, that is VDU. Next is printers. This device generates a hard copy version of processed data like documents and photographs. The function of a printer is to create a copy of whatever is sent from the computer to the printer. A plotter, which is also a printing output device, is similar to the printer. Next is projector. You easily see in various classrooms nowadays, which is used to show presentation or for viewing videos. Modern projectors usually connect to the computer via HDMI, known as high definition multimedia or VGA cable. Full form is Video Graphics Array Cable. Next popular output device is headphones. Headphones output audio from a computer through two individual headphones for a single listener. It is also known as earphone headphones, mostly used by gamers, or you also used for communicating through internet. Next is speakers. Speakers create sound using internal amplifiers that vibrate at different frequencies according to data from the computer. Okay. Other than this, there are various output devices like plotters, GPS, global positioning system, Braille reader for blind persons, speech generating device, and many more. That's all for today. Today we learned about output devices and their types. I hope you understand the basics of various output devices. In the next class, we will see keyboard and mouse with their types in detail. Thank you so much.